The winch is running hot. This isn't good.
Otter, hold steady. We need a plan before it gets worse.
I'll aim for a safe finish, but the pressure's building fast.
Wait, there's a smarter route. Follow my lead, Otter.
Got it! Steadying the rig, but the lines are shaking hard.
Careful! The hook's starting to slide. Keep your focus.
The clock's ticking, Fire Truck. One clear move now. What's next?
Lock the rig in place. We're almost there. Stay calm.
Rig locked. Cargo's settling. Is it holding?
It's holding steady. Watch, plan, act calmly. It worked.
Cheers all around, Fire Truck. We did it together.
What was your favorite moment? Let us know in the comments below.